No? Our concept is to be the only true Filipino restaurant in the Philippines which promotes Filipino values, culture, humor, and advocates for the environment and community empowerment. Environment, why? Because we use banana leaves in our packaging. We don't use styrofoams. Community empowerment because we get our banana leaves from a community in Nagcarlan, Laguna. So it's part of our supply chain. In menu line, we call it all-time Pinoy Burrits because these are the traditional Filipino dishes. It's trying to promote Filipino humor. You know? So as you can see, you know, in our menu line, it's very, very comical. Taparap-sarap, bistik wala stick, pesta adobo, dino body but you, chicken barbecue. So we try to incorporate humor, you know, in our business. We have our combinados. Basically, it's a combination of different menus. So you can order two meals or three meals, two dishes, three dishes in one pack. Recently, we have launched our campaign. No? Basically, it's a bike that runs on electricity. Basically, we're a local company. Our target market will be Filipino middle-income urban families. Then our customers are basically our franchisees in our company-owned stores. Basically, we want to expand. We want more stores. You know? In order to do so, we need at least 34 million in capital. Increased number of stores would mean increased capacity as well for the commissary. So we need to invest on the commissary as well, so increase the number of stores. So payback period is estimated at around 1.21 years. Equity is at 44%. Then we expect by 2012 the full payment of the investment. So that's the exit plan or exit strategy for the